Hey, just had to do this. I mean, it's crazy. Can you believe it? This is high humidity. We're in the middle of the summer. Well, not the middle, but we're just starting summer. But we've been hot as all get out. It's today was 93 with a high humidity index, heat index like 104. This is my tall fescue lawn. This is, I mowed this thing 2 days ago. Look at it. It's incredible. It's definitely had some heat stress, but we got some rain here, a couple of days of rain, which really helped it. Tomorrow I'm going to have to mow it and get the water on it. But, I mean, this is incredible. It's like 6.5 inches tall. And, I mean, I mowed it like at 4 inches. So in 2.5 days, pretty incredible what's going on here. But everything's grown like crazy, and I just had to come out and take a shot of this. I mean, it's looking pretty good. I mean, there's definitely some heat stress, but considering what our temperatures have been, and the fact that I haven't been watering it. I mean, I did water it like once last week, but we did get some rain here the other day, and I do have a little doggy that comes out here and visits this also, so it's doing pretty good. But we'll get her knocked down tomorrow and get some more water on her, and I'm going to go out and do the front in a minute. But it's super bright out there right now. That's all that sun coming around the side of the house there. We'll go out there when it goes down a little bit so that we don't get blinded. But we got some of those coming over us, which is crazy. We heard a boom a little while ago, so there are some pop-ups coming through. Strawberry's been producing good. Watermelon's coming like crazy. The rest of it, we got way late on planting it because I was doing other projects. And tomatoes are coming. Just got a few on there, but we've been picking them off too. And but there's a watermelon. We got about 11 or 12 of these on here. We've got them tied up in nylon stockings right now to support them, and then later on we'll give them greater support. There's another little guy down in there, but it's coming along nicely. Anyway, pardon the mess in the corner there. And we'll go out front a bit and I'll show you what's going on there. This, we thought we lost for sure, magnolia. And we've been putting some of our special turf tea on it. What's been left over, and it's going to survive. I don't know what we're going to do with the top, but we'll see what happens. We got the bottom coming back again anyway. It got burnt big time in a freeze where we were 5 to 7 degrees, and it just wiped it out. The wind was blowing like crazy. It was out front, so we thought it was dead and thought, well, let's put it back here and see if we can nurse it. So we're making some progress anyway. Flowers are blooming. Still got lots of landscaping to do here. Haven't done much, but just got these in. Not totally finished yet, but we're getting there. So get some of our projects done, and need to haul in some more topper gravel, and got to do the pavers in here yet, and just got a lot of things to do yet. But hey, can only do what I can do. I'm working full-time, taking care of all my customers on my design projects. Anyway, hope you're enjoying this. This is old Lovin' the Green Gary. Catch you later. Bye.